Hello guys, so this is part 3. So I torque first injector 30 lb foot pump, then rocker arm assembly 30 lb foot pump, and the fuel pressure gallery 30 foot pound, and then I adjust wall adjustment uh, 0.019. This is wall specifications. So this is a third system. And one other thing, you be careful, the oil fuel gallery, oil pressure gallery, so they bolt, you tie it just like 3-4 times, because they have a o-ring for this part, which one going in the injector, inside the injector. So you tie this bolt by hand first, just like 10 foot lb, then little bit weight, then 8 again, 20. So stepwise you tied this bolt. Some people doing right away tied and then truck start, so maybe 1 week or a month after driver owner complain, so his truck gonna hard start and the oil pressure gonna lose. So reason of this bolt gonna lose, because they have a very big pressure, so be careful. Okay, thank you.